y'all, it's Naya back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be doing a edge tutorial. And if you didn't know, this is the edge. Bro, I'm actually okay. It's Naya back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing an tutorial. I was about to say an edge condition, an edge tutorial. And by the way, this is the edge control I use. My mom bought it for me, so yeah. And this is a water-based edge control, so I'm gonna use this spray bottle that I have. And you're gonna wanna like spray it. If you don't have a spray bottle, just use like some water. I don't put like a little water on my edges. I just put like a good amount. And then I don't know how to say it. I comb through my edges, so I'll be right back when I comb through my edges. Okay, I combed through my edges, and I don't really like doing my sideburns for real, but I'm gonna just do it anyways because I'm doing a tutorial, and I don't know if y'all like doing edge burns, but I'm going to like get the edge control. This certain edge control, you cannot use a lot of it. Like, you really cannot. So I'll be right back when I spread out my edges. Okay, so I did not spread it on all of my edges because it's gonna get hard. Like, I wouldn't say fast, but like it's gonna get hard. So now I'm just like swooping the actual like thing, and I don't know like how you really like swoop it, cause some people like to swoop theirs different, but I swoop mine and then I hold it. I only hold the part like the bottom of the edge. So yeah. And then that's how I do. Well, I'm not done yet, so I'll be back when I'm done with this one, I guess. Pointless. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this one is like not, but it's kind of like budging, but like when I do it, it's like curling up. So I'm gonna put like a little bit more water. It's like hard curls, cause when I put water on my hair, it starts curling up. And yeah. And now I'm gonna try to swoop it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Dang. Y'all, I'll be back when I swoop it, because this one is gonna take me forever. Okay, I'm done with this side. It was like stressing me out a lot, but it's whatever. And now I'm gonna do the middle. For the middle, I already put some edge control on that one. So I don't really use a lot of water for this one, so yeah. And now I'm just gonna do sideburns. Let's see if I could do like a little loop or something. Oh, that's actually cute. Hold up. Why is that eating? It's eating down. Now I'm finna do this. Now I'm finna do this side. And y'all don't be like commenting or nothing on my videos. Every time I look at the comment section, there's barely anything there. So I'm not begging, but can you like please like ask me to make like certain videos? Like, what do you want to see? Because I just be posting random stuff. I don't know what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see me make paper squishies, want to see me make slime, want to see me go on vacation, like I don't know. But yeah, these are how my edges turned out. And yeah, I might make another video because I'm bored. So later y'all.